So, product analysis of the book I Love You Nearly Always by Analise. It's a pop-up book. And as we look at the style that it's done in, if we look closely, it's a collage style book. So, because that bit there is a book print that's been coloured. It's quite a simple use of photographs and collage, pencil crayon work, etc. So this first page, roll is a wood louse, and as we open this page we see that there's a V fold that pops up to represent Woodley. And then on this side, Rita is a firefly, and if we use this rotary mechanism here and we watch this piece here, different things come by as you use that rotary mechanism there. And the images change, they rotate. And then as we look at the next page, this is a very three-dimensional page. Lots of things pop up. If you can see, it's a V-fold page as well. Here and here's the V. Again, if we look at the style of artwork, it's collage and pencil crayon work. If we look at the underneath, we can see that it's across the V there. These bits are cut out so that when this bit folds, the clouds stick out. And the next page again works on a V there. So this bit here has got a V on it, but then this bit is connected to these, which you can call our internal stands here. This bit is a V again, and then this bit's got an internal stand. And again, this, you can see the very simple style of the page. This one again is the connection of collection of V-folds and internal stands. If I come around to the back of the page and show you here how they're held up. So these back, they're predominantly V's, but they're attached with little hold up parts there. And it's made to look 3D with cutouts. So they've used flaps here with little internal stands. And this one here is turning a linear motion into a rotary. You see, if we look closely, it's got a little fold, and you can see there. This one is just meant to look like a book. And as we go onto this page here, as I pull this flap, and both of these flaps move. As I pull one flap, that one moves. Pull another flap, the same flap, that one moves. So if I just do this, you'll see together the flap does that. So we've got a linear motion to a rotary motion, because if you look at what the flap is doing, more like an oscillating actually, because it's going in an arc. So that's linear, backwards and forwards, and actually this is more like an oscillating motion. And then we look at this page here. This is quite a new book, so it's quite stiff. So again, if we look, it's nice and three-dimensional. These are all V's, but they're all attached together here. If we look at the back, it's a V. Look down here, it's a V. But then they've used this to make it 3D, and as we close the page, look how it all goes flat. As we open and flat. Again, look at the style of artwork. And again, another V fold here. if we look at the back of these, how it works. And the last page is very three-dimensional. So this is similar to the Robert Sabuda house pop-up. They're both across the V, again across the page. This bit, as this bit comes up, this kind of internal stand is connected to it. If we look at the way the pole at the back is formed, and then the very last page, as we open the very last page, they come to kiss. So if you look at the motion of these two, they actually go in an arc, so they're an oscillating motion as they move. And if we look underneath, stand it publicly, you can see how the mechanism works.